So what is up people, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we will be unboxing and setting up the new MI Band 5 global version. So let's get started. So this is going to be the box of the MI Band 5, and on the top we have the MI logo, and we have the MI Band 5's picture, and down we have the name of the watch, and on the behind we have some specifications of the MI Band 5 which are mentioned, and on the sides we have the features, and on the other side also we have some other extra features of the MI Band 5. So let's hop on to the unboxing. So after opening the box, we have the MI Band 5 itself in the front. So this is the MI Band 5, and then on the side we have the magnetic charger of the MI Band 5. So let's look into those in a while. And then on the bottom we have the instruction manual of the MI Band 5. So these were all the things which I got inside the MI Band 5's box. It's nicely packed and it's the same packaging which we had in the past generations of the MI Band. So let me get this out, and yeah, you get a better improved screen and the heart rate sensors on the back. Yeah, let's check that in a while. So second we have the magnetic charger. This is a different type of charger compared to the previous version. This has a magnet, so we don't need to remove the band out of the strap to charge. That's a nice improvement. So finally we have the instruction manual. So this instruction manual comes with various types of language, so you can check them out. And let's hop on to setting up the band. To set up the band, you will be needing a phone. So here I have the phone and the watch. First of all, take your Mi Band and then select English as your language, and then it will be showing us to pair. So for this, make sure your Bluetooth is on and go on to the Mi Fit app and sign in or create an account if you don't have one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna just pair this. So for this, click on profile, then click add device, then select band, and then click agree, and then wait till it gets connected. As you can see, it is searching, so make sure the band is in the pairing mode, and then wait. And then once it's done finding the band, you will get prompted to agreeing or not in the band. So select yes, and then it will get paired successfully. As I had previously the MI Band 4, it's restoring some band settings. Just don't worry about that. So after you're done with everything, you'll be prompted with an on-screen guide on how to use the MI Band 5. So after reading, you will be head on to the band settings section. So now let's see some features of the band. The home screen has been improved, and then we have the status option, PAI, heart rate, notifications, stress, breathing and events, and weather, workout, and finally more. So I'll be doing a detailed video of this in the near future, so subscribe and stay tuned for that. And coming onto the app, we have some more extra features of the MI Band 5. You can just try and check out the settings. I'll be doing a detailed video on this also too. So yeah, once again subscribe and stay tuned for that also. So with winding up things, this is gonna be my MI Band 5 unboxing. And if you all loved it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and as always, see you guys in the next one.